This is why teenagers have an unfair money advantage. If you're a teenager and not investing yet, you're about to make a mistake that costs you millions. This mistake costs millions. Let's look at this. Two people invest the same amount. One becomes rich, the other struggles forever. The difference? Starting early. You don't need rich parents. You don't need perfect grades. You don't even need a lot of money. Time is the cheat code. When you invest as a teenager, compound interest multiplies speedily. It turns small decisions into life-changing money. Small start leads to massive future. Step 1. Learn before you earn. The smartest teens don't chase money first, they chase knowledge. Learn how money works, because once you understand investing, money stops being confusing and starts working for you. Step 2. Invest consistently. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow into something insane over time. Consistency versus amount. It's not about how much you invest, it's about not stopping. Step 3. Play the long game. Most people quit because they want fast money. Millionaires wait and think for years, not days. Long-term investing rewards patience and punishes impatience. Step 4. Increase income. The more you earn, the more you can invest. And the earlier you build skills, the faster everything compounds. Skills equals freedom. Most people your age are wasting time. You're here learning. That alone puts you ahead. Start now. Stay consistent. And let time do the hard work. Your future is being decided today. If this video has helped you, subscribe and share for more. Thanks for watching.